What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my filthy garage. And today we're going to be getting into the world of underdrive pulleys. So, after I change out of my fancy get up here, we're going to get started. Beautiful day. We went ahead and got the Steeda underdrive pulleys because they included the harmonic balancer and whatnot, which we knew we needed because ours was shot. So what I'm going to do is just go through a few tips and techniques on how I installed it on this car. Since it's automatic, so it's a little different than a manual car. Okay, so the first things I did obviously were remove the coolant reservoir there and got it out of the way. Remove the electric fan here. Got my 18 millimeter on an impact and broke the harmonic balancer bolt loose, and went ahead and took that out. And as you can see, I already bypassed the air conditioning here and put a new tensioner in there as well. Now, as far as tools go, I went ahead and just went to Harbor Freight and just picked up a cheap puller here. This kit actually is actually pretty nice. It comes with a whole lot of stuff here. Comes with all your attachments and all your hardware needed as well. All right, so now I have the pulley puller set up. I got tension on it. I got all the bolts pretty much square and level in there. So now we can start jacking on this here. It's a 14 millimeter. So we're gonna put that on a ratchet and we're gonna go ahead and get this crank pulley and whatnot out of here. Now we have the harmonic balancer off of there. And here are the pulleys it comes with. Obviously the alternator, water pump, and the harmonic balancer with the whole setup there. It also comes with this little bolt, and it's just made for installation of the harmonic balancer bolt. Do not keep this in there. Use the factory one. Also, one other thing, when you go to install these, it recommends that you put a little bit of black RTV right here on the keyway to keep anything from seeping out oil-wise. So we're going to go ahead and take care of that as well. All right, so we got the harmonic balancer back on there. Everything's torqued to spec. So now to do the water pump. And on this one, the alternator seems to be pretty tough. So we're going to have to probably work on that one a little bit. That pulley doesn't seem to want to come off very easily. All right, so what I did on that pesky alternator pulley there, I went ahead and put the belt back on with the new water pump and the crank pulley on there. And then I used the impact to gun that off using the belt's tension. It came right off. So then I swapped them out and we're good. All right, so now we have everything all back together. Everything's all buttoned up. So we're gonna fire it up and see how it does. Hopefully we don't fling a belt anywhere. But we'll find out. Look at that. All running. Hot darn. And if you were wondering, there's my Instagram right there. Now let's check and see how the gauges are. Pressure, obviously. Voltage is reading good. I think we're good, guys. Now, there was something I did not add into there in the instructions that I did. I did wind up using like blue Loctite on everything, just to be safe, and also to make sure that I knew I cleaned the threads on everything really well. So, but we're gonna let it sit overnight, let the Loctite do its thing, and then let that black RTV do its thing, and I think we're good. So we'll see you around, guys, and thanks for checking us out. And one last thing, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. We'll see you guys around.